Let's take a look at how to make an effective and visually appealing academic research poster. Your research poster will highlight the most important points from your paper. It won't include everything, but it should spark interest and encourage viewers to ask questions. Your poster size is 48 inches wide by 36 inches high. A template is already set up for you in the gallery of templates. We recommend using Microsoft PowerPoint. As a College student, you have free access to Office 365 through CougarWeb, both on campus and at home. To find your class resources, go to collin.libguides.com/cecadams. On the left, click Poster Resources, then download a template and open it in PowerPoint. Choose a design that best fits your topic and research. Customize the headings, adjust section sizes, and add high-resolution images and graphs to support your research. Make sure your text is easy to read. Here are the recommended sizes. Title: 80 to 150 points, in bold. Headings: 36 to 40 points. Body text: 24 to 32 points. For a professional look, use fonts like Times New Roman, Georgia, Arial, or Helvetica. Bullet points can also make your information easier to digest. If your graphic contains text, make sure it's readable. To check image quality, zoom in to 100% and ensure nothing looks blurry or pixelated. Don't forget to cite your sources for facts, images, and other materials. Follow APA or MLA format. If you need help, APCAA tutors and librarians are great resources. Before finalizing your poster, have someone review it. A second opinion can help catch mistakes and improve clarity. With these tips, you're ready to create a great research poster.